Hey everybody, so I got a quick video to do. This is going to be a video that we're going to be putting on my wife's channel, and we're going to just give a shout out on mine. This is some gardening stuff, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so this is being shot on the GoPro Hero 6 with the new Aperture brand multicolor LED MC light that we put on the camera. It's really nice. I really like it. So these are items that we picked up from Summer Wind's Nursery. The reason I'm doing this video is I don't know if you guys are interested in gardening videos. I have no idea what my subscribers are interested in, other than I know a lot of you guys like tools and automotive videos. But I figured, you know, I'd throw this out there. I've shown a lot of gardening stuff that we've picked up. You know, the PVC pipe and, you know, the wood that we're building a structure and a raised garden bed and all that stuff. And a lot of that stuff is going to be recorded on my wife's channel, or recorded for my wife's channel. But I figured, you know, just a shout out to my wife and, you know, show some of the things that I picked up for her gardening. Figured maybe you guys would be interested in checking it out. You can see the light in the reflection. So let's turn the brightness down a little bit, which is very nice that you could do that. I like that. Let's change the Kelvin rating too. There you go. The light's a little more yellow. It's on the 3200 Kelvin rating. But this is mosquito bite kills mosquitoes is what it looks like. It says before they're old enough to bite. Also controls fungus and gnats. My wife's growing a lot of plants in the house before we transition them outside into the very hot heat. They had an 8-ounce container of this that was $14. This one was $24. This is a 30-ounce container. So for the price difference, the larger container made sense. It's a biological mosquito control used in water, gardens, flower pots, bird baths. Kills mosquitoes and larvae that transmit West Nile virus, Amphicilitis, dengue, Maragonic fever, and malaria. The reason we grabbed this is because they the Summer Winds Nursery recommended this because it's for gnats, and the gnats we have, they're plant-eating gnats, you know, and they don't exist outside because it's too hot outside. But any plants that my wife's growing in the house, they like it in the house, and you know, my wife's plants are normally in her office or the living room that we don't use as a living room. It's the old garage, and they swarm us in hundreds. And you know, I could be sitting in my office, which isn't anywhere near either room, and I got gnats buzzing my head all day. But gnats, they actually harm the plants, and they actually do kill the plants and several other things. This product actually is, from what my wife told me she was reading, it is made in the USA, right there at the top. Biological mosquito control, quick kills within 24 hours. It is plant safe. You can put it in with your plants. And they gave us 15% off. Because I decided to make an account with them because, you know, they actually are really nice people. And the store that we went to was the Chandler Store, which was awesome. And I picked up my wife some seeds, Lake Valley seeds, non-GMO, untreated seeds. This is a scallion bunch, white Lisbon onions, heirloom, or you can also, these also could be considered and known as chives. Picked up a package of, these are vegetables, non-GMO as well, USDA organic, winter squash, Waltham butternut squash, heirloom, great for winter storage, certified organic seeds. Grabbed a large pack. This is a really thick pack of hybrid 44-day Avon spinach, slow bolting, early producer, value pack for big garden savings, extra seeds, non-GMO seeds, untreated. We grabbed, this is another massively large pack. This is a 42 days Bloomsdale long-standing spinach. This one is actually 15 grams net weight. This Avon spinach is 10 grams net weight. This and these are like 1.5 and 3 grams. Lakeview seeds, untreated, non-GMO seeds, value pack, extra seeds. Also grabbed a black seeded Simpson lettuce, heirloom. This is a 45 day. And I also, scallion bunching, it says 60 days for this one. And this one doesn't say at the moment. I don't want to read it at the moment. But this is black seeded Simpson lettuce, 45 days, heirloom, 6 grams. This is a value pack. Lake Valley seeds, non-GMO seeds. We picked up another type of lettuce, which is, this is a 65 days butter crunch lettuce, heirloom, value pack for big garden savings, extra seeds. This is a 5 gram pack. And all of these items we picked up, the Summer Winds Nursery recommended that these are all great items that could grow very well in just putting them directly into the ground in our hot climate here. This one is vegetable. This one says lettuce, butter crunch lettuce, tender crisp heirloom, Lake Valley organic, certified organic seeds, USDA organic. Put that guy right there. Move him over a little bit so I have more room. This is flat. This is 85 days early flat Dutch cabbage, Lake Valley seeds. As a 1.5 grams, non-GMO. This one right here is 65 days Copenhagen market cabbage, heirloom, Lake Valley seeds, non-GMO. This is a 1.5 gram package. Is there anything in this? Oh, we're gonna have to go back. This doesn't have anything in it. But this is a red acre cabbage, heirloom, 65 days. It's a 1 gram. It might be just really microscopic and I can't feel it, but it does feel empty though, which, you know, all of these seeds I believe are covered. You know, if none of them grow in a package, you can take it back. They replace it for you. They give you your money back and everything else. But this actually feels empty to me. So I will definitely have to go back there when I have a availability and see if they can get that one replaced. This is 65-day early snowball cauliflower heirloom. This is a 750 milligram pack. Lake Valley seeds, non-GMO as well. And this guy is the last one, which is a scallion bunching white Lisbon onion heirloom, which is the same as this guy over here. We grabbed 2 packs of it. So that's everything that I picked up for my wife's garden. I will definitely contact them and see if they can get me replacements. They do have all the information: seed depth, plant space, row spacing, sprout in 7 to 12 days, matures in 65 days. So for an example, if you put seeds, like any of these seeds, in the ground, and you go off this chart, if it says matures in 65 days and 79 days go by and you don't have a plant, you can actually get the seeds replaced and or your money back on that packet of seeds. You know, we're gonna give all of this a try. We're gonna show you guys the garden. Let me go show you guys right now. Kind of bright. I'll turn that light off because we're not using it. I'm gonna bring you guys outside so you can see them. All of these guys are pinto beans. They're actually extremely tall right now. There was a cucumber plant right here, but something happened and a cat came in the yard and crushed it, and its stem snapped, and it just died, and we took it out. This guy right here, I don't remember what my wife said it is, but it's getting really big. I think this might be tomatoes, or it might be something similar to tomatoes. I don't remember. All I do is come out here and water them. There's also a couple things right here that are growing. These are kind of getting big. There's 2 there, 2 here, and 2 there that are growing very well. And I believe my wife has an avocado growing in the house too, I believe. Back here, yep, the avocado is in here. Looks like a couple avocados. This is an avocado. It's got a giant seed right there. That's one's growing. This is another avocado. I'm not sure what's in the bag. I think it might be another set of avocados because they like humidity. And I'm not sure if there's anything in that anymore. But that's just a look around of some of the plants that are growing. We do have a couple items in here. Looks like we have one item. We're trying to get these to survive, but they don't seem to want to survive. I'm not really sure what the problem is with them, but these are the ones that somebody unplanted. This actually was a part of the trees outside. They're large bushes. Somebody unplanted them. A family member asked me if I wanted them, and I said sure. Well, when I planted them, these 2 bushes right here, when I planted them, they were green. They were completely green. They don't seem to be taking too likely to being replanted. The stems are still green. I don't know if you can see it, but the stems are green. Some of the stems are green, but it's just not. It's not growing. It's the stems. All of these stems used to be bright green, which this one is green. You can see it's green if the camera picks it up, and it's starting to turn brown. Where this used to be solid green, all it was green, and now it's just turning brown and it's falling apart. I don't know if it's out of season. I have no idea. It was green when it was dropped off, but those are just some of the plants and stuff that's going on. My wife decided that she wanted to start the garden before we make the raised bed. So that's been put on hold for a couple months. We'll go get the rest of the wood when we're not extremely busy. But this light is actually very nice. I love this new light. Definitely gonna have to go pick up some more. But these are all the items and all the seeds that we picked up. We picked up chives, Waltham butternut squash, butter crunch lettuce, early flat Dutch cabbage, Copenhagen market cabbage, early snowball cauliflower, red acre cabbage, butter crunch lettuce. This is just a larger pack of butter crunch lettuce. Picked up black seeded Simpson lettuce, Bloomsdale long-standing spinach, and Avon spinach, and mosquito bite kills mosquitoes container, and it also controls fungus and gnats. Gnats actually lay their eggs and it causes a fungus, and that was why we picked it up, because they're also killing the plants. I hope that you know, I'll leave my wife's channel down below. A lot of the planting and the gardening videos will be on my wife's channel. A lot of the construction and build projects will be on my channel. Probably more than likely do a collab between me and my wife's channel as well. I will leave the information to her YouTube channel down below. I would appreciate if you guys go check her channel out and subscribe to her if you guys are interested in gardening or anything like that. She does do cooking videos, and she does do makeup videos if there is anybody that actually has a spouse that may want information on makeup. I appreciate you guys' time. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. Please go like, comment, subscribe. Go smush the bell notification icon for future updates, as well as go check out my wife's channel that I will put in the link below, or description below, I should say. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Please go check out my wife. I do appreciate your guys' time, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!